Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we are going to show you how to remove, clean or replace the cabin air filter on a Honda Civic, the generation from 2006 all the way until 2011-12 guys. So stay with us to see how we are going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. So on 9% of the vehicles the cabin air filter is actually located behind the glove box. Okay guys, what you need to do, open the glove box, and now right there you need to squish on the sides towards each other, and you can see all the stuff behind it. And now that's the cap for the cabin air filter right here, and there is the arrows for flow, airflow, and you need to squish in. There is two notches there, and you see how full that thing is. We've noticed that the car is not blowing as much as it should because the cabin air filter is clogged up. And this one definitely will need to be replaced, but we'll clean it until we order a new one. And let me show you what you can get out of it. It's just ridiculous. People never clean them, okay? And you're breathing that thing inside your cabin, pretty bad air. Okay, so we're going just to clean it by hand at first. You can see the pile here. Okay, that's just from that filter. And we're going to clean it with the vacuum now. The side that was clogged up. Okay, so now if you get Febreze or fabric freshener, you can spray it and it will smell good and kill the bacteria until you get a new one. And what's important now, there is an arrow on it that you need to follow. Okay, you can see right here it says airflow with an arrow down, and right here there is an arrow as well. So you need to match these two. And now what you need to do, just go ahead and push it in, and it will click there, and it will be stuck there. And now you just push the glove box by pressing towards each other. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.